Hello, in this video we will talk about several functions in the module itertools in Python. So we know itertools provides several kinds of functions that will make a specific features functions for the iterations. And we go to Python IDE. So first import itertools. Then for the function called chain, this will run through arguments just like they are from single iterable. So for example, we can use a for loop for items in this chain of the first is a list and the second is also a list. But if we use the chain methods, then the elements of these two lists will be taken as one list. And we show the results. So now each element from this combined list is printed out. A second function called cycle. So if we use cycle, then in this for block, then printing will never stop until we manually do it. So for item in itertools, cycle 1 and 2 in a list, print item. So you can see it never stop 1, 2, 1, 2. Then we manually stop it. And third function called accumulate. So by default, if we use accumulate and with the arguments, for example, lists, so the elements of this list will be accumulated by the sum function. So for item in itertools, accumulate 1, 2, 3, 4, and print this item. So the result is accumulate the sum of these items. But we can also set our own function. For example, here we set a function called multiply. Then for loop with accumulate with this list, we use second argument with this user return function multiply. So the result is not accumulate the sum, it is accumulated multiplication for each item. Now this is several very basic functions from each tools modules in Python. Thanks for watching.